The honors house was probably my best experience on campus, not lying. Just off the cuff, the honors house is the first house on the row, and it's closest to the engineering building. And when I say closest, about 30 feet from the engineering building. And it's about 50 feet from the library. So the two places that I hung out the most on campus were also right outside of my doorstep, and that was invaluable from that perspective. But I think the people aspect is really important too. When I came in my freshman year, I was lucky enough to get selected to live in that house, and immediately I realized that was a good idea because the friendships that I managed to build there are people that I still catch up regularly with, even though we live states away from one another. The other unique thing about the honors house, as opposed to like any of the other living situations, at least on the row, is as opposed to being specific to a particular major or discipline, honors was the one that wasn't. We brought together a bunch of people of different disciplines, and they all lived together. And I still remember conversations at about 2 a.m., 3 a.m. in the morning where I was a computer engineering major, my roommate was a math major, one of our friends upstairs who lived in the house was a criminal justice major, and we were all sitting around drawing on the whiteboard trying to figure out like if there's different ways to like divide by infinity or something. So these kind of interesting conversations that like happened organically in that house just wouldn't have happened as often in other locations. So I think those are some of like my fondest memories from school, and so I really appreciate living in the honors house. I did it all 4 years, and if I were to go back, I'd make the same exact choices again.